In this video, I'll show you how to download DeepSeek on desktop. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. So, to download DeepSeek onto your PC, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to deepseek.com. This is the official website where you can access DeepSeek's web version. If you don't already have an account, you will need to sign up before proceeding. Once signed in, you will be directed to the web-based DeepSeek chat application. To install DeepSeek as a standalone application on your PC, locate the triple dot icon at the top right corner of your browser. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the options until you find Install this site as an app and select it. Clicking on this will bring up a prompt asking for confirmation. Select Install, and within seconds, DeepSeek will be added as an independent application on your computer. Once installed, you can find the DeepSeek app by navigating to your taskbar. The newly installed DeepSeek app functions exactly like the web version. All your chats will appear on the left-hand side, and you can start new conversations as needed. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.